And TVJ Sports spoke with supporters, vendors and a former national captain outside the National Stadium earlier today. Now, some fans arrived from as early as 10 this morning and were standing in the afternoon rain to enter the stadium. Still more than 3 hours before kickoff, and the Messi effect is in full effect here at the National Stadium in Kingston. As you can see behind me, people are already pouring into the National Stadium, and I can tell you, I've been here for just about an hour, and already I've been seeing scores of persons making their way inside the National Stadium. I have been speaking with people who have come from as far as Hanover. I spoke with one father who has named his son Messi. We saw Kenwood Stennett and his 2 children getting snacks before heading inside the National Stadium.
Anywhere Messi they are them there. Yeah man, anywhere Messi them there. If I see it, I'm like a son. Messi Stennett name.
So you name your son of Lionel Messi?
Yes, Lionel Messi. The name Messi Stennett. From the day before when I was coming up. Yeah man, from the day. I'll late me get ticket. I'm say even if you don't get no ticket, I still come up here for me. No, I have to buy. I have to see Messi. Yeah, man. Where are you coming from? Hanover. Louisville. So you travel from Hanover to come here today? Yes, from Hanover to come here today.
His son's school bag, Messi inspired. His shoes, Messi inspired. Even his 12-year-old daughter is a fan. And how big a fan are you?
100%.
100%.
The afternoon rain couldn't dampen the spirits of those who came out.
The crowd are going to come out and it's excitement and look at things that go on, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, big things that go on, you know?
Why are you here so early today, mother?
Because I understand that persons want to see Cavaliers win, and there's also this short man that's coming that named Messi or something like that, but who knows?
I'm a ticket man. I said no studio to come see the Italia football man. Lionel Messi, you see me? My baller.
Former national captain Rudolph Austin.
But this shows what football can do, both for the country and for the players and for the club. Because sometimes we look at it as small things, but you know, when the puzzle come together, it can be a huge thing. And I'm sure, you know, it's very huge for Cavaliers and for Cavaliers players and for Jamaica on a whole.